Well, seeing as it's been a long time since I actually put up the part 1 of the, what was it, the AS500, what is it now? It's an AS500, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, I finally acquired a remote, probably a couple of months back actually. So there it is. It doesn't, I've just not got around to using it because I have so many amplifiers. I have no need to use it in any way. I just was digging around and found an ARC HDMI audio decoder because this doesn't have any digital inputs. I wanted that because the optical out on my telly is going to my Bluetooth headphone transmitter. Yeah. Anyway, so I thought, oh, that's not bad. I'll just shove this in here and use it for a bit. So yeah, interestingly, when it mutes, it doesn't actually fully mute. It just goes very quiet. But yeah, anyway, so that's the AS500 running the speakers. There's Martin Zero. So I've got a Chromecast audio hooked up to it and just the HDMI audio signal coming from the telly to it. So I shall just use it for a month or two till the weather changes, then I'll swap it out for one of my valve amps, and they'll just be running then constantly for 6 months. So yeah, there it is, the AS500 running. I do like the ability to just defeat the bass and treble controls if you want. I don't actually need to test. I want to see if the record outs are post various controls, because that could come in handy. That could come in handy for a few bits and bobs. So I shall see.